This is a fine dine 1 gallon mason jar drink dispenser, and look how cool this is. It also comes with a cylinder so you can put ice inside it to make your beverage stay cold longer. And it's also not going to dilute it either, because the ice isn't going to melt inside the container, it'll just melt inside of this. This also has a wide mouth lid, which is perfect to add your fruits, ice, as well as your favorite beverage too. And another nice thing, it's going to be easy for you to put your hand inside and clean afterwards. How cool is that? And it has such a nice nostalgic look. Beautiful design. And here's the spigot, and this is also a leak-free spigot made of stainless steel. And let's fill it up so I can show you how it looks and how it works. Okay, so I now filled it up with cucumber water, and I also filled the cylinder up with ice. Then you just drop it inside, and then you put on this lid, and you're good to go. Beautiful. Then you get your cup, and you pour yourself a nice cold beverage. Beautiful. This will hold up to 1 gallon of your favorite cold beverage, from iced tea, lemonade, fruit juice, and so much more. This is perfect for indoor or outdoor use, and it's great for birthday parties, barbecue parties, weddings, bridal showers, baby showers. The list can go on and on. This is also made of glass, and it's lead-free too. This measures approximately 10 inches in height by 6 inches. And the spigot is a leak-free spigot, and it's also stainless steel too. I was sent this from Fine Dine to evaluate, and I absolutely love it, and you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.